Hi everybody, it's Mariah from BUW at North Richland Hills. Really quick, I just wanted to show you guys what we have in stock here. So this is one of our best sellers. It is a body wave 20-inch frontal. It comes with baby hairs. As you can see, these are what the baby hairs look like. It comes in a natural brown color, and this is what the wave pattern looks like. So it's 20 inches, which means it's gonna stop right above your bra line. And when it's straightened, it might get a little bit longer. Body wave is one of my favorites just because the wave is very pretty. It's very natural looking. And it's one of those things where you can wake up in the morning and you don't have to do so much to it. So it's really maintainable, really versatile. You can straighten it. If you curl it, it will hold the curls longer in comparison to straight. Really pretty, and it runs at $300. With tax specifically, it's $329.08. So yeah, it's just a really nice wig, really durable, really good quality, and we have it here at North Richland Hills. So that is all. Goodbye.